What's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy, and today, so actually, I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos because of my vacation, and really sorry for no video on Monday. But here's a video today. I actually may switch to uploading on Thursday or Friday because of shift in schedules and stuff. So yeah, I watched a lot of YouTube videos, and there's like this app called Crash Bandicoot or whatever it's called. It's called Crash on the Run actually, but this guy, like the red guy, if you see, he is the Bandicoot dude, and it's like a running game type of like Subway Surf or whatever Temple Run or whatever, like the OG type of games. So this is brand new. It's made by King, which is the creator of Candy Crush, and this is not a sponsored video, unlike a lot I've seen. So yeah, this game was fun. I played some yesterday night. I just wanted to play it with you all. So I'm gonna put some of this serum to make, because just collect it, because you need this to fight like people or whatever. So yeah, so this is a level, and basically this dude who you see on the screen is Crash Bandicoot, and yeah, this guy, and you have many skins. Like you can get the skunk edition. This is the classic dude. I personally like the classic a lot, so I'm gonna run with that. And basically, the fruits you see behind him, you're supposed to collect those fruits and jump over the obstacles, crash into boxes, and all of that stuff. So let's go. So you see a fruit counter on top, and you see like the steps and stuff. And if you tap on the screen, actually you spin and it breaks the box. So it's also a type of a tutorial video if you want to know how to play. Yeah, so there are these like mushroom things, and you jump onto them, and they're like bouncy stuff. So this is actually a really fun game, because the levels, like it's not one big level, it's like well divided and stuff. So yeah, so there's like a boss at the end, and you have to try beating him. Like there's an ant or whatever at the end, I think, and there's an elephant, I think, at the end of this. So yeah, if you see, I jump on the mushrooms, and they're like these obstacles, and you clear them. Like this huge wall, I just jump over it with the mushroom, and like if you see, the ball's rolling. Okay. Oh, that failed. I'll just use 9. Okay, we cannot fail this time, so yeah, let's go. So the checkpoints you have to clear, and once you die, you land on the checkpoint. So if you guys are wondering why I'm not at the start again, that's why. Oh god. I don't know why I'm playing this bad. Like yesterday night, I just started playing, and it was quite new to me actually, because of the spinning stuff and all. So yeah, it's actually pretty new, and it feels like it's like good. I'm good with this. So another checkpoint met. So if I die, I'll land there again. But we'll just hope not to die. This is like a really basic game. It's like to cure boredom. So like if you're extremely bored and you feel like you have no apps, no good games on your phone, you just download this, and it's a pretty chill type game. Not so intense like a battle royale or something. So that's the boss I was talking about, the frosty pink elephant, and yeah, let's just go against him. Let's see. Okay, so there are these weird things that come up and scaring me actually quite a bit. Oh my god. So the elephant is right behind that, and you have to throw the potion on him, and it's got a damn insane hit, and the elephant just goes back to the portal, and I slide into. So you collect power gems, and they help you like unlock stuff. So I've beaten the pink elephant, and I've got 7 on 10 power gems. This is pretty cool. So now I have to beat this dude, but I also need a bomb to beat him. So this is the center where you like make stuff. So I can just drag the bomb and put it up here. Come on. Okay, let's just do whatever this is telling me real quick. I need to earn some stuff. So next part will be probably next week, or if y'all want to see more of this game, I just wanted to try it out on YouTube and see if it's like kind of a successful game. If I get more than like 30 views, I'll upload part 2 and 10 likes. Yeah, let's do that. So guys, I also wanted to mention thank you so much. I think y'all really enjoyed my setup tour video. Was that recently just hit 100 views. So yeah, thank you for the support. So this is actually pretty, so at first it seemed a little hard. Once you get the hang of it, it's like, oh, I'm a pro. Like you kind of get that feeling. Okay, so I just finished that run and I think I got some stuff. Okay, no. So yeah, I think we can now craft this. And no, you still need the mushroom stuff. Okay guys, so for part 2, I am going to beat this big monster and these two, ants and mini robots and stuff. So if you want to see part 2, 10 likes on this video and above 30 views. So hope you like this video. It's just a short one, but if you liked it, smash the like button. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.